Hello everyone, I'm Rinki and welcome back to my channel. So today I went to an Indian store, which is a shop, because I wanted to buy few things for my house. So that's why I went to an Indian store, which is a shop. So I'm going to show you all the items. I'm going to show you all the items that I bought from this store. So let's see all the items. Let me show you all the items that I got from the Indian store. So the first thing that I got is this packet of rice. It's this packet of rice, which is 5 kg, a 5 kg packet of rice. Along with that, I also got this Kashmiri Lal Mirch, which is the red chili powder. I also got the red chili powder. So I got 3 packets of this. 3 packets. So this is a red chili powder and these are red chili powder. These are. I also got 1 packet of bundi masala. This is bundi. So I also got 1 packet of bundi. And 1 packet of corn flour. 1 packet of corn flour. Also 1 packet of thali peat flour. 1 packet of thali peat flour. I also got some fresh coriander leaves. I also got some fresh coriander leaves. And I also got 2 lemon. And 1 sandalwood powder. This is chandan powder. Sandalwood powder. And 1 also got samosa, which is one of my favorite things. So that was all the item that I got from the shop. So these were the items that I got from an Indian store. And for all this item, I had to pay 45 francs. I had to pay 45 francs. So what is a francs? Francs is a currency. Like in India, we use rupees. We use rupees as a currency. Here in Switzerland, we use francs. So I hope you liked today's episode, and I want you guys to tell me about the things you normally buy from a shop. Okay, so you have to tell me 5 items that you usually buy from a store. That's all about today's video. Thank you so much, and let's meet in another session. Bye bye.